Let's talk about another important thing that we need to see in order to make the market more transparent. Counterparty confirmation. So let's compare this to real estate. If you buy a house from somebody, you know who that person is, and you can see some of the records of how long they've owned the property, and they can see who you are. So for example, you can tell if you're the seller that if someone's buying your house, are they a family or a flipper? And while it may not be critical in terms of your sale, at least you know the information. What happens when you look at the tape of the confirms in the stock market and you see nothing but middlemen? Morgan Stanley, Smith Barney, Goldman Sachs, and Citadel and Virtu and all these other firms. You have no idea who's actually buying or selling. We need an audit so we can see, are we watching this tape of Cayman Islands Citadel trading with UK Citadel? We have to have a full, transparent stock market so that individual investors can make a real informed decision versus what's been happening for the last however long. Let's fix this now. Come on, let's go.